Hi, this is Michelle Caskey from Homeschool-Your-Boys.com, and I just got a really awesome box in the mail, and I'm super excited to check it out. It is the whole literature history pack from Beautiful Feet for modern American and world history, and I'm super excited to see what's in it. It is a huge box. Oh, look at it. Oh. Very heavy. So anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, what's in here? Packaging materials. Wow. Tons of books. Let's see if I can tip this without dumping my box. There is a bunch of stuff in here, so let's check it out. Like I said, this is the Beautiful Feet Modern American and World History Literature Pack, and it is aimed at grades 5 through 8. So let's see what it contains. First book is The Singing Tree by Kate Sarady. I apologize in advance if I say any of the author names incorrectly. Year of Impossible Goodbyes by Suk Nul Choi. Wow, it is a good thing that I apologized about the author names. Narrative of the Life of Frederick Douglass by Frederick Douglass. And 5th through 8th grades, but if you can see there, there's quite a lot of reading, so I would think that that would be perfectly fine for older students as well. Ronald Reagan, Our 40th President by Winston Groom. Rascal by Sterling North. Claire Hutchett Bishop, 20 and 10. The Little Riders by Margaretha Shemin. So, and that one's, you can see that one's a little bit easier. Theodore Roosevelt by Genevieve Foster. An idea of what that's. Echoes of the White Giraffe by Suk Nul Choi. Oh, this is another one by that same author. Idea. The Wright Brothers, Pioneers of American Aviation by Quentin Reynolds. An idea of what they're like. Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry by Mildred Taylor. It's a lot thicker. Water Buffalo Days, Growing Up in Vietnam by Hun Quan Ngoong. I know I got that wrong, and I'm so sorry. A little bit on the easier side. Stealing Home, The Story of Jackie Robinson. Awesome. That'd be a good one for boys. Girls could like it too. By Barry Denenberg. So there it is. And that one's a little bit easier too. It looks like this one has some photos. That's always cool. Gladys Aylward, The Little Woman. Autobiography. It's a little bit harder again. Air Raid Pearl Harbor, The Attack That Stunned the World by Theodore Taylor. Lois Lowry, Number the Stars. There's that. I don't know if it's helpful if I'm showing the inside or not. Let me know. Across 5 Aprils by Irene Hunt. And there's a ton of books here that we haven't gotten to yet, so this will be great. The Perilous Road by William O. Steele. The House of 60 Fathers by Minder de Jong. We read a lot, and we haven't read most of these. Sergeant York by John Perry. Is this the one that the You know, there's a movie, Sergeant York, that we watched. I wonder if it's based on this novel. So there's that. And A History of Us, All the People, since 1945 by Joy Haycom. And that is more of a history textbook. Let's see, and this goes up to, what is the most current? I see a picture of Barack Obama in here, so it's pretty, oh! Trump is in here too, so it's pretty up to date. And Carver in Life Poems by Marilyn Nelson. So these are all a bunch of poems. Let's see, we are not done yet. Okay, so here is the catalog, Beautiful Feet catalog, all sorts of amazing book ideas, and they're listed out different emphasis. This is geography through literature, teaching character, music, medieval, and they have grade recommendations. So, useful catalog. Here is Modern American and World History, a Literature Approach for Intermediate Grades. So this is going to be, you see that there? This is all the different lessons, and it looks like it has it listed out what to read in which book, and then there's some questions, some different tips. Try to get that close so you can see. Help you teach the unit study. So I'll have to take a closer look at all of that. Let's see, War Boy, A Wartime Childhood by Michael Foreman. So there's that. And this still has a lot of words, but there's a ton of pictures in this too. It looks very nice. And last but not least, this down here, A Child's First Book of American History by Earl Schenck Myers. So that's another real thick one. And this, oh, kind of give you an idea. It's got really nice illustrations, different stories about different times throughout history. So that'll be interesting. So there you have it. Let's see, how many books do we have for the Beautiful Feet Modern American History Literature Pack? Let's count them. 24 books plus the guide for parents or teachers. So anyway, that is about all I know about the Beautiful Feet History Literature Pack so far, but I am super excited to dig into this. As I said, it is aimed for grades 5 through 8, but there is a ton of awesome looking books in here that I think will be great for my older boys as well. So again, this is Michelle Caskey from Homeschool-Your-Boys.com, and I will be sure to give you some video updates once we've gotten into this a little bit more. So I hope that you have a wonderful day.